I wish all of you a very happy Diwali. The celebration of Diwali is a time to reflect on and evaluate our thoughts, words and actions in the past year. It is a time to discover how we can be more delightful, kind, respectful towards others. It is a time to acknowledge our prejudices and negative feelings so that we may begin the procedure of transforming ourselves. Dear all, today we will celebrate the festival of lights, Diwali, symbolizing the victory of righteousness and lively of spiritual freedom.
The history of Diwali can be traced back to ancient India, where it was celebrated as the most important harvest festival. Lord Rama, on the special occasion, was welcomed to Ayodhya with the rows of diyas. Diwali is the time that illuminates the country with its sheer magic and brilliance, and dazzles people everywhere with its joy and happiness. Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance, and keep us with a good will for the rest of our years. Happy Diwali! Everyone, Diwali Ashamsagai.
That unites people of God together. And more especially, Holy Scriptures from each book tell us, directly reveals the God's infinite love for all of us. Let us now listen to God's divine words in clean language.
Good morning, respected Sister Principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Light is the shadow of God. According to the history of creation, on the first day, God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. So we see light was first among all creations. Light in the Holy Bible is also referred to as burning bush, pillar of cloud, lightning, fire, etc. etc. As we prepare ourselves to celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights, I would like to leave you with a couple of verses from the Holy Bible. Gospel of St. Luke chapter 11 verses 34 and 35, where it says, "The eye is the lamp of the body. If your eye is healthy, your whole body will be full of light. And if your eye is unhealthy, your whole body will be full of darkness. If then the light in you is darkness, how great is darkness?" We need to be vigilant of what we allow to enter our body through our eyes, as that is what decides if our lives are in light or in darkness. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Singing to the God is the prime duty of His creatures. His benevolence has let us live this wonderful day. I take immense pleasure in inviting my friends to lead us into prayerful moments.
You're the strength when I am weak. You're the treasure that I seek. You are my all in all. Seeking you as a precious jewel, Lord, to give up I do be a fool. You are my all in all. Taking my sin, my cross, my shame, rising up again, I bless your name. You are my all in all. When I fall down, you pick me up. When I'm dry, you fill my cup. You're my all in all.
It's the time to remove the darkness and ignorance within us and replace it with hope and knowledge instead. Today, my dear friend is going to recite a beautiful poem on Diwali for all of you. A magnificent poem where the whole aura of lights and of Diwali is captured in beautiful verses.
Diwali Delights by Shyam Pathak. Diwali is here, Diwali is here, the grand festival of lights that ends evil after a protracted fight. When good, with all its might, leads us from darkness to light. Diwali is here, Diwali is here, the great festival of sound. when crackers and laughter abound, when crackers and sparklers light up the sky, when delighted children jump with joy. Diwali is here, Diwali is here. The gorgeous festival of snacks and sweets, when everyone enjoys a royal feast. When old and young with delight meet, with love and affection all hearts beat. Diwali is here, Diwali is here.
If one can't stay away from bursting crackers, the best way is to use eco-friendly crackers made with recycled papers. Recycling and renewability are the key words to live life in this present world. Having fun is very good, but when added with some limits is even better. But how can you exactly have fun with eco-friendly crackers? Let's see. My friend is now going to tell us how exactly we should have fun when we are using the eco-friendly crackers.
Hello everyone, I'm Vidushi Singh from class 10th A, wishing all of you out there a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Every year, we celebrate Diwali by bursting crackers, adorning our house with lights and thus creating a euphoric environment. But have you ever thought that how excruciating it is for our Mother Earth? Look, I'm not telling you to cut down your festive mood and remove anything, but only to renew the way of doing certain things. Like, we can adorn our house with flowers and garlands and LED lights that consumes less electricity rather than using normal electronic lights. We can burst crackers that causes less pollution. Even synthetic rangoli colors are unhealthy and causes serious health hazards. We can reduce the use of plastic and give organic gifts to our kitten kids. And in this way, we can celebrate an integrated, harmonious and a very organic Diwali. Thank you everyone.
Any celebration, when celebrated with our friends and loved ones with some dancing and fun, adds to the treat of our eyes. Hereafter, my dear friends will come and enlighten the celebration with a dancing and joy.
रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयो हाय हाय रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयो हाय हाय आशानी किरणों बिखराए उमंग भी छलकाए मन हड़वे थी गुनगुनाए हाय 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 हाय
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई ख्वाबों के बीच कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझा मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी
ख्वाबों के बीच कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझा मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
Every beginning has an end, and it is very good to end a good beginning with a good end. Let us thank the God for His good enough. Let us thank the Lord for His done great things for all of us. Let us lift up our hearts with a glorious light lit in it towards the mighty Father who has gifted us this wonderful and blessed day. A very wonderful Diwali to all of you. Thank you.